Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VDSC. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one a few times, and all these lines you see here were from the last time I did it. Can't quite remember when, but if you go back and look through the video archives, you can pull that up. So first thing I want to do is just map out a few things that need to be updated and just kind of clean up the chart a little bit. What I mean by that is while these levels are definitely still levels of support, in order to keep the chart kind of streamlined and not too confusing, I just want to get rid of them. And same with this level here. But the one level that I do first want to just extend out so you can see how that acted was this was a key area of resistance that I spoke about the last time during the video, and you can see that back on what would that have been, Friday, the price finally was able to close above that area, and now you can see what happened. So just kind of the power of charts showing that when price levels are closed above that are important, nice follow throughs do happen, which is exactly what happened here. So for the first update, and we'll call this level 0085, this needs to be changed to green because just basic technical analysis, when a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. So that level is now green for support. Now another new level that was established today in terms of support was yesterday's previous high, and that is right up there. And yesterday the profit taker stepped in at 0.0119. We'll just call it 0.012 to make things a little easier. So 0.012 is the newest level of support too. I'm going to leave this line a skinny green because while it is a level of support, yes, if the price were to close below it or anything like that, by no means is that imply that the chart's toast or history or anything like that. Perfect example being here there was a pullback, but the key levels of support held, mainly this yellow line here, which is a 200-day simple moving average, and you can see what has happened since then. So just because a chart pulls back for a couple days or whatever doesn't mean it's a bad thing. And this chart in and of itself has a couple great examples of red days, as long as support levels hold, are actually healthy for the chart. And then talking about this 200-day leads me into the next thing is we do have a golden cross that is approaching, probably happen sometime next week. But that's always a nice little technical event. So golden cross, although it hasn't happened, is right around the corner of happening. And then finally, as far as resistances go, this is about as straightforward as it can get. The profit taker stepped in today at 0.0148, so that's the level of resistance on the chart. And then after that, as far as I'm concerned, blue sky breakout again above 0.0148. So that's the one little kind of gateway until the chart enters into those blue sky territories. You could scrunch up the chart quite a bit and say, well, these are levels of resistance or whatever. But as far as I'm concerned, no point in needing to go back that far. Just call it a blue sky breakout and make things a little easier. So again, 0.0148 is going to be the gateway into the blue sky. So that is where the chart currently stands. Congratulations, everybody. Great looking chart. Nice to see this healthy consolidation here. So we'll have to see how far this newest move comes before it decides to kind of rebuild itself a little bit. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you will see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to check out our educational course down there. Over 8.5 hours of education and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was VDSC. Thanks for listening.